Welcome back. Today we are going to cover step number 9, do more with a lot less. Learn to leverage your business assets to generate more leads and more revenue. You've heard the saying, if you want anything done right, you gotta do it yourself. But that line of thinking has put many entrepreneurs in a too much to do, too little time situation. If you think there's no way to get something off your plate and still get it done right, you may want to think again. Here's the solution. It's all about learning how to leverage your business assets to generate more leads and revenue. Once you figure out what you should do yourself and what to outsource, there are many places and ways to get it done. And yeah, once you start implementing these leveraging strategies, you'll free up so much of your valuable time. You'll finally be able to focus on what really matters, like creating loyal customers and helping those you're meant to serve. Just think about how much time and energy you're wasting doing those repetitive, low-level tasks. Do you really need to be doing them yourself? Or could you be using that time to focus on more important tasks that actually bring in revenue? If you don't start using leverage in your business, you risk getting stuck in a never-ending cycle of working in your business rather than on your business. And before you know it, your competition will be light years ahead of you. There are tasks you shouldn't be doing as a business owner, and making use of leverage is all about making you way more productive in building your biz. This is the grocery list for making the best use of leverage. Figure out which tasks are the ones your business needs you to do. Leverage your effort and time for the remaining tasks by using these strategies. Systemize, optimize, automate, outsource, or delegate breakdown projects into simple, easy-to-achieve steps. Eliminate stuff you don't need to do. Create amazing content once and use a cool secret trick to make it go a whole lot further. Use online tools to make a lot of the building and operating of your business hands-free. These are just a few of the things to do to make you do less in your biz. There are many tips, tricks, and tools covered inside Do More with a Lot Less for making the most of leverage so you can truly gain the freedom you were looking for when you left the rat race. Well, that wraps up phase number 3, freedom, along with its 3 steps within it. Step number 7, systemize your biz. Step number 8, highly magnetized funnel. Step number 9, do more with a lot less. See you tomorrow for our wrap-up of your cool roadmap to revenue.